What actually happens inside your body when you hold a sneeze? Believe it or not, every sneeze can generate air pressure up to 100 miles per hour building inside your airways. But imagine you're sitting in a quiet meeting, so you clamp your nose shut and hope for the best. The problem is that pressure doesn't just disappear. It gets forced backward through every passage connected to your nose. That means your eardrums, your sinus walls, and even your blood vessels absorb a force they were never designed to handle. So what's the smarter move? Open your mouth when you feel a sneeze coming. This divides the pressure across 2 exits instead of 1. Next time, just let it go. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool facts.